So here we are at Essential Install Live, EI Live 2022, and this is the OSD Audio, American Audio Co. trade stand for the show. Quick walkthrough. We have OSD's garden offering, patio speakers and pendant speakers. Forza 4, Forza 5, Forza 6, and then patios starting from a small little 4-inch, which has a retail price of £99, all the way up to the 8-inch, which retails at around £200-300 for the pair. I think it's a little bit more than that. It's actually £429 retail for the pair. One of the really nice things about OSD is they have some quite unique products. So this is a little sub that we have, but it's a passive sub. You give it your normal full range speaker input, and it will it's got an active crossover, a passive crossover in it that will then give you 4 speaker outputs at higher frequencies, and it maintains its own sub frequency for the garden. But we also have the BOM 4.1.2, and that is a Bluetooth active sub-sat system. So the 12 volts in, that's all you need to give it. It wakes up, gives you a Bluetooth connection. You can then stream your phone to it. It does the bass frequencies in its own housing, and then up to 4 little satellite speakers to wire out around the house, around the garden. Retail price £800. So there's a trade saving on that. We just think that's a phenomenal product. We then move on. OSD Ace range. OSD Ace range is the contractor series, ranging from just over £50 a pair for the contractor Ace 600 series, up to their Kevlar finished and angled in ceilings. They are both really well priced. So the angled in ceiling speaker is, hold on, let me get around to the price. It retails angled in ceiling 6-inch, £205 for an angled. Brilliant for Atmos or an in ceiling LCR in contractor house building, house bashing type installations. We then have the black range, which is OSD's reference range. They come with a square grill kit if you want them, dual stereos, in ceilings, 6-inch Kevlar finished systems, and then again in ceilings 15 degree whole basket is canted by 15 degrees. Perfect for Dolby Atmos in ceilings, front and forward of the seating position and rear of the seating position. Or if you're really struggling and the client wants a really clean look to a room, actually in ceiling LCR, that's a possibility because the whole basket is canted towards you at 15 degrees. Great little systems. We use them. We've selling quite a lot already. Active components. We're waiting for our streamer to arrive tomorrow. We then have Max, if I can get it to focus. Let me see if I can get it to focus. No, but it's changed the brightness so you can see what's going on. That's great. Max 12, really nice little product actually. This Wi-Fi network app controlled, 6 zones in, 6 zones out, 6 sources in. Really nice for commercial applications where you don't necessarily know what your sources are going to be, but resident or the owner, bar owner, runner or whatever wants app control. Individual zones can listen to different things or listen to the same thing all at the same volume. Amps, 8 channel, 12 channel, 16 channel, 8 channel. Price starts at just over £1,000 for the 8 channel. Again, 2 bus lines in plus a local input for each of the sources, and then the new digital SAM 500 sub amp at the bottom with DSP built in. We then have just components that we use all the time in the installation industry. Volume controls, impedance matched and resistive. Resistive will always give you a better sound quality, but if you're not sure about what the resident's going to do, then impedance matched is great because they will, it doesn't matter what speakers you hang on the end of them, they will, it will present the same impedance to the amplifier, so you're protecting your amplifier. Great range of outdoor, waterproof, volume controls, and speaker selection switches, and wire nuts. If you don't know what a wire nut is, come and see us at the trade show. We'll show you. They are such a simple little thing, but for garden applications or low voltage, no voltage applications, twist your cable together, twist the wire nut on. It not only secures the connection, but for gardens, they're gel filled, so they're completely waterproof. Really great little product. Finally, we have the ubiquitous in-wall speakers. So Ace, again, contractor series, Ace in-walls. Sorry, these are the Ace in-walls, 5.5-inch duals, 6.5-inch duals, and a 10-inch sub. And then we have the OSD Black reference series, 6.5-inch, 8.5-inch in-wall speakers. Great sounding little speakers, really, really high performance. We have some specialist speakers. So these first two are ultra shallow, or shallow and ultra shallow, 6-inch, 6.5-inch, and then we have an 8-inch shallow mount, and then our beautiful beast. Look at that. That is a 10-inch three-way in-ceiling speaker. Really stunning performance and sound out of that. And finally, we have our cinema range. OSD, trying to get it to focus. OSD S series, so this is the S80 Mark II, S81 Mark II, and S82 Mark II, all designed for on-wall, in-cinema applications, and really great sounding speakers for your application. And that's it. So that is our OSD stand at Essential Install Live 2022. Opens tomorrow morning, Wednesday the 14th of September, 9:30. We're here 9:30 till 5, and then 9:30 till 4:30 on Thursday. Come and see us, and be more than welcome to talk to you about projects, pricing, design schemes, and just helping you either get a foothold in the industry or keep hold of projects that might be being squeezed on budget and price. We're here to help. Come and see us. Thanks very much. See you soon.